Everyone. So I'll be walking us through how we can integrate the cTrader version of the boat. So I've already made a video on the MT5. So if you are using the cTrader, it's either you want to migrate to this particular boat, you want to start, maybe you're just joining the platform and you want to walk you through how you can integrate it on your own end. So one of the things you need to do first is, since you have already joined our community, this particular group, as you can see, right? The first thing is for you to save the boot. Click on this like this. Just put your mouse on the boot. You need to open it on your system. I mean, maybe on your computer, or anything related. You can't open the file on your phone unless you use VPN. So you need to open this on your system or your computer. So just right click on it. So immediately you right click on it, it's either you see show in folder or download. If you see something like download, you can download it. If you see show in folder, just click on show in folder. So once you click on the show in folder, it's going to take it to your normal file manager. So you just need to copy it. Make sure you copy it like this. So once you copy it, just locate a particular place you can paste it. You can just create a new folder. You can just create a new folder. So once you create a new folder, just paste it there. Paste it there. So as you can see, we have already pasted our boot, right? The second thing is for us to just go back there. So we have a different set file that match different accounts. So I would recommend you save everything. Let's click on it like this. You want to save your set file, show in folder. So I will show us how you can navigate the set file to know which one suits you. So just copy everything. Just this is it. I have a lot of set file. That's why it's showing on this. If it was just, it will be showing the, just locate the rest set file. Yeah, this is the folder. So just paste it there. Yes, so we've already get our boats from the Telegram to our local folder now, so we can easily access it from here. So what we need to do next is for us to head to our cTrader. So this cTrader is just like the MT5 app. So once we download it, you can install it on your system. So one of the things you need to do first is for you to download this cTrader app. So once you download it and you open it, the same email, in case you are using this cTrader for the first time, any email you use to open the app, that is the email you'll be using to purchase any of your accounts. Once you use the same email to purchase any of your accounts, automatically the account will inflate here. Yeah, this is one of our member account I'm helping to integrate the both into, because you don't have access to the system and his phone do not have your user space, and then you can any account you get, it's going to inflate on this your balance automatically. So what it just needs for you to use the same email. Just use the same email to get any account under cTrader platform. So that's that about that. The next thing is for us to make sure we integrate the boot into this app. So just locate under this argo. So once it's located under this argo, you can easily integrate it in two ways. Go back to your folder. This is it. It's either you double click on it like this. If you double click on it like this, it's going to take you to cTrader automatically. If you double click on it like this, just double click on it like this. Or you can see, right, number focus is already exist. Do you want to override it? It's already exist. So you just need to click on. So if you are installing it for the first time, you'll be able to locate it here. So make sure you can see, right, the number focus pro no source code. So I'm also using the same share. So what you need to do first is for us to discover which set file you want to use. Actually, you can easily use the default set file, default setting to run, especially to maintain a live account. So for you to know the particular set file you want to use, I will recommend you test run it. So for you to test run it, just locate this local place. One of the things I want you to understand first is that on cTrader platform, they have what you call cloud. Anything you store here is going to work on cloud. But here is working based on your local computer. If you install the boot here, once you close your computer or your system, it's going to stop. But if you install it here, as you can see, right, this one, right, is playing now, it's running now. It's going to be on cloud, which means that if you off your system or go offline, it's going to continue to operate. So for you to test it, you need to test it on this your local computer parameter. So once you click on it like this, just select good, type good. Once you type good, so the next thing is for you to locate this particular place. Your home may be showing like this. Make sure you locate this back test. So once you locate the back test, you can back test from January this year. So January this year, based on the time period you want, and version mode. Make sure you click on it. Version mode, till today. So just click on that. So the next thing is for you to integrate the set file. Click on this. So you can see, right? So just let's start with the lower risk. So once you click on it, and integrate, it's going to change this parameter automatically. So just click on play. You, in case your own is not fast like this, maybe yours is very slow, you can just drag this one so that you can make it fast. And if you want to watch how it's being playing out weekly, monthly, daily, you can just make it slow. Because of this video, let's just fast forward it. You can see, right? So these are the things you need to pay attention to. Number one, the drawdown. The drawdown was able to experience from January to this moment. Secondly, the lot size is used. You can see, right, it's using 0.01. Let me show us. It's using 0.01. So let's check the history. You can see, right, it's 0.01. So one of the things that is very important is the drawdown, the maximum drawdown, the inclusive drawdown, and the total trade. All those things. So for you to test the second file, so let's test the video. You can see, right? You can see the balance of this one. This 9% is in middle. There was a time it crossed 10%. I was able to expect drawdown. So let's check the second one, the medium risk. Okay, let's check this one out and click on pay. You can see that it is over $150 before you expect drawdown. You can see, right? This is close to 2,000 US dollar. You can see the difference, right? And you can see the drawdown different. You can see this is over close to 20%. So I hope you can see the difference, right? So let's check the last one. Okay, let's check this aggressive. You can just run it on your own head. You're able to see the U different. So this one is very aggressive mode. It's a very aggressive mode, and this one is meant for. You can see the profit so far. So this one is meant for pass a challenge account as fast as possible if you have resources to come coming back, because this bot can wipe you out and it can refund you. I mean, if you want to get paid as fast as you can, especially if you want to pass any challenge account, this one is very recommended. So where you get to level account, you go to maintain normal risk parameter. So what I mean to say, the main purpose of this bot is if you have appetite for aggressive mode. So this one is very good. You can see the different profit rates. You can see this over 27,000 US dollar from January to this moment using this very aggressive. And you can see the drawdown. You can see how many accounts that went out, and you can see the profits. The purpose of this is for you to, there's a way we go around it. If you can get like 10K accounts, if you want to use this particular boat, this is the way I would recommend you to go around it. And maybe you can come to me, I will show you the, I will recommend a profile. You can use it, very easy to navigate. You can get a 10 account, maybe 10K account, like 10. If you have like 2 to 500 or 1,000 dollar to plan around it, do not just go and get one account. Get different accounts. I mean, 10K account, like 5, 10. If anyone wipe out, come in. So the purpose of this boot is you can get payout very fast, and it come with aggressive risks. That is that about that. So after you have discovered the set file you want to use that suits you and the risk appetite you can tolerate, and you just need to come here. Okay, let me stop this one so that I can show us. Just come here like this, click on, just right click it. The second one here. So make sure you change it to good. Make sure you change this to good. Make sure you change it to good. For you to change it, click on here. Just type to good. So once you make sure it's good, don't input zero. Make sure it's good. The second thing, just right click it, click on load. So once you click on load, personally, this is what I normally use by default. This is what I normally use to run my live account. But if I would just want to, maybe I've get two players on that particular, I want to be little aggressive, I can use I. For a maybe I want to play a game of number, that's why I use aggressive. I will be using aggressive. So, but on a left account, I normally use this one. But if you want to play it more safe, maybe you don't have a lot of fun to always come back and you don't want to lose your account for any reason. It's going to take a lot of time before you accumulate a lot of money, but this lower risk is more preferable. But this is what I normally use, and this is what I will also recommend if this is a game of forest, forest come with its own risk. So after that, just click on play. So once you click on play, and on this second one that look like cloud, not this one, this second one, and you see that you have changed to play. Something like, where you play something. This means you have already installed the boot on the cloud. So that's that. The boot is now running. You can see right, the boot is now running. So that's that about that. That's that about that. That's how you can integrate it. And whenever you want to monitor your account, if you want to monitor your account, just click on the boot. This first one at the top here. So click on the first one here. Make sure you play on the first one here. You are going to see the trade running, and you can also monitor it on your phone. You can also monitor the trade on your phone also. So that's that about that. You can just you can hop, take off your, can close your terminal like that. So if you find it difficult to navigate it along the line, maybe you don't really get it, but you get stuck, you can always come back to me and let me know. I can schedule a time for you if I'm less busy, and I will walk you through. You are going to share your screen between 10 to 15 minutes you have done. So, but it will be on my own convenience time because I have a lot of people up. So don't expect me to meet your own time. Make sure whatever I give you time, make sure you meet up. So that is that about that. But make sure if you don't get any part of it, make sure you always come back to me and I will walk you through. You can share your screen. And if you do not have phone to navigate it, I mean, if you do not have PC to navigate it, you can use your phone. And if your phone find it difficult to navigate in, if there will be a help for me to help you on my own end, I can also do that. So that's about that. That's that. All right.